Hey guys, Ramsey with Spraywell here today with a brief video over pressure washing maintenance. A few things you want to do before putting it away for the winter or before breaking it out for the spring. A few maintenance methods and a few things, sort of like a checklist for what you want to do for maintenance on your pressure washer. Alright guys, now that we know what we're going to be talking about today, I'm going to go over briefly which unit we have. We have a Cat Pumps 67DX as well as a Honda GX390. What we're going to go over first is just a basic inspection of the unit. Once you get ready to put your unit away, you want to do a base inspection of your pump, your engine, your oil, and your air filters. Just do a quick run through to make sure all of that is set in stone. As for the engine oil, when you go to do maintenance on your unit, this is going to be your drain. You can use a 12mm socket to get that out, as well as this will be where you refill it. As for the air filter, as you can see, I have pre-loosened this one, so it's pretty easy for me to spin this off. There's going to be another one here. Pretty simple. It's a matter of taking this off, either cleaning it or making sure you get a new one put on. This is important for your engine, as a clogged air filter can choke your engine and reduce efficiency by restricting the airflow to your engine. Just gonna put this back on. Oops, I forgot that. Make sure you don't forget this bolt when you put it back on. Make sure it is tightened. Hand tightened is fine. But as I was saying, a clogged air filter over time can lead to increased fuel consumption as well as reduced performance. So you want to make sure that's always clean before you bring out your unit for the year. Now, when speaking about the pump, we want to make sure we flush and inspect it. The pump is the heart of your pressure washer. You want to make sure your oil levels are good. You can see that through the sight glass here. It's advised to replace the oil every 200 hours of use on your pressure washer. Also, when speaking about the pumps, your hoses are going to be the lifeline of your unit as well. You want to make sure these fittings are in good condition, your unloader is working properly, as well as your hose inlet isn't clogged or blocked by any debris. If it's blocked by debris, it can cause your unit to run poorly. Same with the hose barb. As well as when you're running your unit, you want to inspect the hoses and those connections as well to make sure it operates safely and efficiently. As for storing a unit like this in Florida, it's a little easier. You can run this all year round. But for people up north, you want to use something like a pump saver and put that into your pump, and to ensure it is winterized for those colder months, as you are not going to be using this pressure washer. Finally, after all of these steps are done, you'll be wanting to test your pressure washer to make sure everything is working as it should. Attach your hose, start it up, check the spray pattern and pressure. You'll want to listen to the unit as well to make sure it sounds like there's no unusual noises that might indicate internal issues. Regular testing of your unit ensures washer's ready for it whenever you actually need it, whether if you're a homeowner or a commercial user of these systems. You want to go through all of these steps to ensure your pressure washer is at its fullest capacity when using it.